Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well. Having a really great day. This video, want to give you guys an update on the Canon Avalon Mini 3. I've had this for over a week now, and I have been playing around with it. It's been honestly a great heater. It has provided a lot of good heat in my like 150 square foot room here. Okay, so I was gonna record just how it's been going and such, but I just got a fan failure on this thing. So this thing is not hashing anymore. It's at 0 terahash right now. And I was solo mining to ckpool.org successfully, and it was going great for over the past week. I was also trying to solo mine to my own Bitcoin node at home, my FutureBit Apollo 2, and it was having a hard time connecting. I wasn't getting the full like 29, 30 terahash. Mind you, I was on eco mode, so the most that I was getting on it was like 3 to almost 4 terahash to my own Bitcoin Stratum pool on the Apollo 2. So anyways, it sucks. I just got a fan failure, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna troubleshoot this and see if we can bring this thing back up. Yeah, it shows an error right on the top of the screen there, E-04. So I'm assuming that means for a fan issue. So I'm gonna turn this off, and we'll see what it does after our perfect segue to our sponsor. Looking to earn profitably during your crypto mining journey? Look no further than asicmarketplace.com, where they sell all the latest crypto miners and provide fast shipping service. At asicmarketplace.com, the price you see is the price you pay. Shipping and DDP right to your door are included, no surprises at checkout. Pay your way with secure options like direct bank transfer or crypto payments like Bitcoin, USDT, or even Caspa. Ready to save even more? Use code RPM at checkout and get $100 off each ASIC order. Join the asicmarketplace.com community today and mine smarter, not harder. Links down below. Okay. Turn back on. Yeah, I don't think... it would suck if this thing stopped working just because of a fan. It was working great for the past week, but now that I've been trying to get it back up and running again, but because I restarted it and now it's okay, comes up with my logo, that's a good sign. And then the app resets here, okay, so hopefully I'll just give it a second, see if it starts hashing away. Yeah, it looks like we got power consumption climbing. I am on eco mode, okay? Eco mode, I did do super mode, but it was drawing almost 900 watts, and my room, it was getting toasty. Even though it is winter time where I am right now, it's negative temperatures outside. 900 watts that was pumping out of this thing was making my room almost 85, sometimes 90 degrees Fahrenheit. So I have to say, in my 150 square feet room here, eco mode is like perfect for this Mini 3 to provide that heat. The biggest selling factor, or I guess the utility as well for this thing, is that it provides heat. Looks like I can actually feel some heat coming now, and looks like it's pulling 425 watts. So looks like hopefully that fan issue is now gone. So I'm gonna wait till I actually see some hash rate, and hopefully we won't see that fan error. Okay, so be right back. Okay, it has stopped working again. Now I don't have it in the app anymore. It somehow just disappeared on me. It's not here on my list anymore for the Mini 3, but it's not doing anything, and it's at 9.2 watts draw right now. There's no heat coming out. Still, my logo is there, but I also did try to add the add new device here, Mini 3, and I can't add it. I'm approaching it to add it to my device. It's not finding it. So I think the unit I have here is probably like an alpha version, right, of the Avalon Mini 3 here. So I'm sure Canon is working out like the kinks and issues with this thing. But yeah, I'm now having issues. After about a week, I'm having issues with this thing. So there is a reset button on this thing. So let me turn this over. Look at this. I can just pull out the fan dust filter. You guys can see. Look at that, nice and easy. Anyways, let me restart this thing, okay? So there is a button. You guys probably can't see it, but there is a button. The Wi-Fi USB dongle is here, which I did confirm the USB to Ethernet does work. I did try this adapter here, and it does work for getting Ethernet, okay, instead of using Wi-Fi. So that does work. I do want to do a dedicated video on that, but I want to make sure that, okay, we're gonna reset this thing. So first I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, and then I'm just gonna, yeah, it came back on. So now there's a button here. And I'm going to just hold it for 10 seconds to reset it. And then see if I can connect it back up to the app. Oh, and okay. Oh, it made a beeping sound, so I let go. So hopefully it has reset. Okay, so okay, it does say hi at the top. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the app here, and oh yeah, there we go. All right, now the app sees it. Okay, thank goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna connect it. Maybe that might help with the, you know, the issues I was having, just having it reset. So, okay, I gotta put in my Wi-Fi SSID and password. Give me a sec. Okay, so after joining the Wi-Fi, I did get an error here. It just says E-03, but on the app it says power failure. So that there's definitely something going on with this Mini 3 here that I have. It is no longer, I guess, functioning. I did have a fan error in the beginning, you guys saw that. So yeah, if I change it to heater, okay, if I change this to heater and then go to, I guess, eco, let's see if it actually goes to eco. Doesn't look like, yeah, there we go. Okay, the power consumption right now says it was 800, 900 watts. Now we're back down to, whoa, did you guys hear that? Okay, we have a power, it says power failure again on the app. E-03 is the error code there. So we're at 461 watts now, 462. Okay, so let me give it some time here. Let's just see. Yeah, it was mining at 40 terahash. You know, that's, I guess, advertised, but okay, let's just see if this runs. Okay, I think it's stabilized at around 557, 58 watts. And I'm getting about 29.7 terahash, okay, according to the Avalon family app on eco mode. And at the pool, it is showing 28 terahash 1 minute ago. So it is connecting to ckpool.org just fine. Just a quick note, I'm unable to look at the web GUI of the Avalon Mini 3. It comes up with this, I gotta scan the QR code to connect to the family app, which I've already connected to it. So there is no web GUI access on this Mini 3, which is really weird. Looking at my other devices like the Nano 3, okay, the older Nano 3, these are connected by Wi-Fi, and you can see their network status here. The milliseconds, the latency is 8 milliseconds. So I'm definitely gonna circumvent that by using the USB to Ethernet. That should definitely lower the latency to, I guess, if I were to solo mine to my own node, that is. But using wired Ethernet, as everyone knows, is gonna always yield you better network latency to whichever mining pool that you are mining to. Okay, so now that this thing has stabilized over the past like 20 minutes or so, this thing, just to let you guys know the temperature of what this thing is pushing out right now at 558 watts. It's about 71, the hottest point there is 72 degrees Celsius. So in Fahrenheit, that's gonna be about 162 Fahrenheit. Okay, for my American friends. So yeah, this thing is pumping out a good amount of heat, and now my room is heating back up here, okay? So yeah, like I said, when I had it on super mode, it was definitely a lot hotter in here, but also because I moved it out from under my desk, it was right in front of the other baseboard, regular baseboard heater that I have normally, which I never ran. But it essentially, this Mini 3 replaces that, but this mines Bitcoin, right? That thing does not mine Bitcoin. But at the same time, this also provides heat, just like, you know, a baseboard heater. Okay, well guys, that's all I really wanted to do in this video. And I just wanted to update you guys on this Mini 3 here after about a week of using it. I think the app still has a bit of bugs. I mean, you can turn it off here through the app, which is nice, okay? And, you know, you don't have to, you know, flick the switch underneath. You can just hit the power button and then it'll turn off. And then when you're, you know, out and about or something, you can press it again and it'll turn back on without having to flick the switch, okay? So yeah, it looks like it is mining successfully now. On eco mode, that's definitely how much power I want to use on, you know, 110 volt power. That's good enough for me. And of course, I can't forget, I gotta put my own logo here, custom. We can put the RPM logo. Okay, that's good enough. Hit the crop button. Okay, I have to hit setup. Okay, so setup will then load it onto the screen. Yeah, there we go. That's really cool. That's honestly really cool. I really like that feature, even though it really doesn't do anything other than put a picture on the screen. But of course you can put the clock, which I think is a better idea, so you can see what time it is. Okay guys, that's it. That's all I wanted to do in this video. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Let me know if you guys want me to test anything else with this Avalon Mini 3. I'm assuming Canon is, they're still working on it, and I'm sure all the little bugs all the issues that I've been having, especially like through the app and maybe with the miner itself. This thing will hopefully be a lot more refined by the time, you know, people get this in their hands. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on this pretty much heater for my room during the winter. It's been quite good. Okay, I'll see you all in the next video. Let me know your thoughts. Have a good one. Peace out. Peace out. Love that.